and welcome to my Inspire Moves tutorial.
I should come through. Don't bother with that, you ain't that touch, come through. So we can cut the check.
You pick the time, send your location now so we can. I need your love, baby, I want it now, 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 eh. I'm on my way, I ain't tryna waste no time, no, no, no. Link up, so link up, link up.
So the first move we'll be learning today is Inspire WHINE. To start off, you need to be standing with your feet apart, no further than shoulders length. I will teach you the arms first. You need to have blades. So you're going to shoot your hands out to the left, then to the right, cross them right over left. Push your elbows back a bit, push it upwards, and bring it right behind your neck, like so. Once you get here, this is where the WHINE actually starts. You're going to carry your hands forward. You can let your elbows meet and carry it down slowly, caressing the body. Stopping at about your hips right here. So again, it's left, right, cross, and up, over, caress, caress, caress. So that's the arms. Let's do the feet. For the feet, remember we're standing shoulders length apart. You're going to lift your left heel with your knee facing forward and then twist that knee to the left and then drop the heel. When you drop that heel, your right hip also drops. So it would be lift, twist, drop. If you notice, my right knee also pops out when I drop that left heel. So once we get here, we're going to shoot this right knee to the right, just out. So it would be lift, drop, shoot to the right. Once you get here, you're going to drop this right heel, push it down. Once I push that down, my left hip pushes towards the left and then I go around down. Once I get here, I'm going to push my left knee out, facing to the left. Boom. Then I'm going to whine. While I'm whining, I'm going to make sure that I'm alternating dropping my heels and poking my knee out. Just like so. So the next move is RIDDLE, and this is honestly my favorite. You need a lot of energy to execute this one, so let's go. You're going to start standing with your feet shoulders length apart. You're going to drop down to the floor, pressing into the floor with that right hand. Then you're going to jump upwards now. When you land, you need to land with your feet a little bit wider than shoulders length apart. So we're down. Then we're going to jump up. When I jump up, this right hand will be swinging backwards and my head follows. So we started down, jump, and my head follows my hand. It's a full circle. So swing all the way around. Once it gets back here, both arms will be here. You're going to swing both your arms like you're jumping rope backwards. So your arms are going like this, twice. At the same time, your knees are going to be coming up. So it's as if you're lifting your knees with your arms. So 1, 2. Once you get here, you're going to look back like you're saying, excuse me, to the left, right? You look back, and once you come over, you swing the left arm down, both arms touching the floor. Once you get here, you're swinging up, both arms are swinging around, and then you end in whatever pose you'd like to end in. Altogether, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 6, 7, and 8. complete rhythm with this. So the last move we'll be doing today is wind speed. You're going to start by standing with your feet, shoulders length apart. This move starts off with a little bit of whacking, which is one of my favorite dance forms. It's a little bit of hip hop. Google it. So I stand with my arm directly, like touching my body, and my palms facing outward. I'm going to bring this arm up and I'm going to touch the right side of my chest. You're going to bring this arm over your head, touching your back right here. Then you're going to bring it back over forwards, touch your chest again, and you're going to bring the arm down. At the same time that you bring the arm down, this left hand is going to shoot out. At the same time, this left knee also pops out. So it would be starting at the side right here, 1 and 2, that's touching the back, 3 and 4. So you want to end in this pose at 4. It's just right hand out, my left hand is a little bit more upwards, I'm leaning to my left, and I'm sitting in this left hip right here with my knee pointing towards you. So just like this, like you're presenting something, like this is it. So it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get here, you're going to cross your arms. Coming back forward, I'm standing straight. My left hand is over my right hand, touching my chest. I'm going to pull it outwards, and then I'm going to push my arms down, and at the same time, I'm going to drop into a squat. So from here, I go 1, 2, 3. Once we get here, I'm going to caress our bodies, pulling this left hand up from the right, coming all the way over, going down. Once I go down, I punch right, punch left to cross with my left in front of my right, and then out. And that's the end of wind speed. So all together, have to start with our stance. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's how you do wind speed.
So do when the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona belly. You know get money, you take up police. Me, I dey love you, Connie.
Well, that was the end of the tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you inspire moves.
But I go spray you the money on your mind. You supposed to know, say me no be